Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Blackview Tab 13 and let me share with you how to change system language on this device. So let's start with opening the settings and then we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system option. Now let's tap on languages and input and tap on languages. And as you can see, this is the list of currently added languages. We've got only English, so let's tap on add a language. And here we've been transferred to the full list of available languages from which we can choose. So simply find yours and tap on it. And let me pick maybe, Netherlands. Simply tap on it. Of course, you can pick the region, so also tap. And as you can see, it has been immediately applied to this list. However, the English is still a main one. So all we have to do right now is to reorder the languages. So let me tap on the second language, tap on it and hold it and then drag it to the first position. And as you can see, from now on, the whole system, the whole menu will be in the chosen language. Let me show it to you again. Tap on it, hold it, and then drag it to the first position. And as you can see, we've got English applied. Of course, if you want, you can also remove the languages from this list. 3 dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on remove. Let's mark the language and tap on the trash bin icon. Tap on remove. And as you can see, we've got only English left. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.